Hi everyone! Naimbag nga aldaw kinyayo. Magandang araw sa lahat. Good day everyone! Today on Learn Ilocano, let's learn 10 most asked everyday questions in Ilocano. As a start, we have how are you? How are you? Kumusta kan? Kumusta kan? Kumusta kan? Kumusta kan? And we have, what are you doing? Inya ti araramidem. Inya ti araramidem. Inya ti araramidem. What are you doing? Third one. What time is it now? Inya ti orasen. Inya ti orasen. Inya ti orasen, orasen. Inya ti orasen. Inya ti orasen. Presi. Apay. Inya ti araramidem. Agbasbasa ak. Apay ya. Inya ti orasen. Alas 5. Apay. Our fourth one. Have you eaten? Nangan kan? Nangan kan? Nangan kan? Nangan kan? Nangan kan? Fifth one, a question that always goes with number 4. Number 4, nangan kan? Number 5, inya ti sida? Inya ti sida? Inya ti sida? Or Tagalog, anong ulam? English, what's for viand? Or the dish that always goes with rice, because we love eating rice. But if, for example, he ask you, nangan kan? Have you eaten? And you said, when, yes, and then I wanna know what you had with rice. So, I'm going to ask you, inya ti sidam? Sidam? Inya ti sidam? Anong ulam mo? Inya ti sidam? Or, what did you eat with rice? But, let's say, you just got home from school or from work, and you saw your mom or your sister or maybe your dad in the kitchen cooking. Maybe either you just got home or you're in your bedroom and they call you. Or maybe you're a visitor and they said, mangan tayon, let's eat. And you wanna ask, anong ulam? What's for viand? Or what dish you have that will go with rice? Inya ti sida? Inya ti sida? So, that's the difference there. But if you wanna ask someone who already ate and you wanna ask what they had, what dish they had with rice, inya ti sidam? Inya ti sidam? Nangan kan? 1. Inya ti sidam? Sardinas laeng. 6. Where are you going? Where are you going? Papanam? Papanam? Pa-pa-nam? Papanam? 7. Inya tinagan mo? What's your name? What's your name? Inya tinagan mo? Inya ti nagan mo? Inya tinagan mo? And 8. How much is this? How much is this? Sagmamano daytoy? Sagmamano daytoy? Sagmamano daytoy? Sagmamano daytoy? 9. What do you like? What do you want? Inya ti kayat mo? Inya ti kayat mo? Inya ti kayat mo? Inya ti kayat mo? Last one. 10. If someone is just about to leave the house, to go to work or to go to school, or let's say you're on the road and you happen to see someone you know, and he or she's going to work or she's going to school, and you wanna say, going to work now? Or going to school now? Tagalog, pasok ka na? Ilocano, sumrek kan? Sumrek kan? Sumrek, rek, kan? Sumrek kan? That's all for tonight, and if you haven't seen the last video, top 10 most used Ilocano phrases every day, you can find the link up here or down here. Bye!